In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a peeling sticker text effect in Canva. First, open Canva and create a new design or open an existing project. Click the text tool on the left side and add a heading. Type the word you want to turn into a sticker. Next, select the text and click Effects in the top toolbar. Choose the outline effect to give the text a sticker style border. Increase the thickness to make the outline bold and noticeable, and choose a color that contrasts well with your background. After creating the sticker outline, go to the Elements tab and search for Paper Curl. Canva will show graphics that look like a page corner curling or peeling. Drag one of the paper curl graphics onto your canvas and place it on the corner of your text outline. Adjust the size and position so it looks like the sticker is peeling from the surface. If part of the curl edge looks unnatural, you can add a small shape from the Elements tab and match its color with the background to hide unwanted edges. This helps make the peeling effect look more realistic. You can also experiment with text colors, outline colors, and curl positions until the sticker effect looks natural. That is how you create a peeling sticker text effect in Canva.